peoples.
Hey guys and gals, Justin here with J Hart Model Works, coming to you with another shop card shout out. This shop card comes to us from Joe at Mad Genius Productions. Joe is an awesome modeler, a very broad range of stuff too. He does cars, but he also does planes. There's some armor on there, a lot of great stuff, some great paint work, some really nice finishes, as well as some really good detail as well. Go ahead and give his channel a look and maybe throw him a subscription. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep modeling, and have a great day.